I signed the divorce paper on Monday. Suddenly, I found out the truth. My wife, Elena, was not a liar. She was a hero. I thought she was cheating on me. But she was hiding her sickness. Why did she never tell me? This is my story. It is a story about love, secrets, and a big mistake. I want to tell you everything. I want you to know the truth. It is a painful truth. The pain is in my heart every day. I lost her. I lost my wife forever. It was my fault. My name is Matteo. My wife, Elena, and I lived in a small house. It was our family home. We lived there for 5 years. We were happy. We talked about having children. We had many plans. Then, things changed. Elena became very quiet. She did not eat. She looked very tired. She had no energy. One day, I came home early. I saw Elena talking on the phone. She was crying. She said, "I cannot tell him. He will stop his life for me." I was shocked. Who was she talking to? Why was she crying? I thought she had a secret. I thought she was cheating. I was very angry. I confronted her. I said, "Tell me the truth. Who are you talking to?" Elena looked at me. Her eyes were full of tears. She said, "It is not what you think, Matteo. Please, trust me." But I did not trust her. I felt betrayed. I left the house and did not come back that night. The next day, I found a text message on her phone. It was from a doctor. It said, "Your test results are serious. We need to talk soon." I did not understand. I showed her the message. Elena started to cry. She said, "I was going to tell you. I have cancer. It is very bad. I have only a few months to live." I was shocked. I felt a pain in my chest. I hugged her. I said, "We will fight this together. I will not leave you." But Elena pushed me away. She said, "No, Matteo. I want a divorce. I do not want you to see me die. I do not want you to be sad." I said, "I will never divorce you." But Elena was very strong. She said, "If you love me, you will sign the paper." I did not want to sign. I loved her. But she made me promise. She said, "Sign it on Monday." Let me go. I felt trapped. I did not know what to do. On Monday morning, I sat at the kitchen table. The divorce paper was in front of me. My hand was shaking. Elena watched me from the doorway. Her face was pale. She was very sick. She whispered, "Please, Matteo. Do this for me." I picked up the pen. I signed my name. The paper was done. Elena smiled. It was a sad smile. She said, "Thank you. Now you are free." She walked to the bedroom. I sat at the table. I cried. I felt like I lost everything. But I did not know the worst was coming. On Friday, I was at work. My phone rang. It was my friend. He said, "Turn on the TV." Now. I turned on the TV. I saw a news channel. There was a picture of a woman. It was Elena. The news said, "A young woman died today." She was a secret helper for poor children. I was confused. I did not understand. The news showed a video. Elena was in a hospital bed. She was very thin. She was smiling. She said, "Please, help the children. Do not be sad for me." The video was from last week. Elena was in the hospital the whole time. She was not at home. She lied to me. She was hiding in the hospital. I ran to the hospital. I found a nurse. I said, "Where is Elena? Where is my wife?" The nurse looked at me. She said, "She passed away this morning. She asked me to give you this letter." The nurse gave me an envelope. My hands were shaking. I opened the letter. The letter said, "My dear Matteo, I am sorry. I lied to you. I did not want you to see me die. I wanted you to be happy. I have a secret. I left the family home to you. It is your inheritance now. I also left something in the attic. Please, go there. Remember our blood oath. We promised to always love each other. I love you forever. Elena." I remembered our blood oath. We made it when we were young. We cut our fingers and mixed our blood. We promised to be together forever. But I broke the promise. I signed the divorce paper. I left her alone. I felt like a monster. I went home. I went to the attic. It was dark and dusty. I found a box. Inside the box was a small book. It was Elena's diary. I opened it. I started to read. The diary started from the day Elena found out she was sick. She wrote, "Today, the doctor told me I have cancer. It is in my blood. There is no cure. I have 1 year, maybe less. How do I tell Matteo? He will stop everything. He will use all our money for my treatment. But we want to buy a new house. We want to have a baby. I cannot take his future." On the next page, she wrote, "I made a plan. I will pretend to be cold. I will make Matteo think I am cheating. Then, he will divorce me. He will be free. It will hurt him, but he will live. He will find a new wife. He will be happy. She wrote about the phone call I heard. She was talking to her sister. She was crying because she was scared. But she wanted to be strong. She wrote, "Matteo thinks I am cheating." Good. He will sign the paper soon. I read more. She wrote, "The hospital is my home now. The children here are my family. I am teaching them to read. I am using our savings to buy them books. I want to leave something good behind." I found the last entry. It was from yesterday. She wrote, "Tomorrow, I will die. I am not scared. I am sad because I will not see Matteo again. But I am happy because he will be free. He will not waste his money on a dead wife. He will live a long life. I love him more than anything. Please, God, take care of him." I closed the diary. I was crying so hard. I could not breathe. Elena sacrificed everything for me. She gave up her last days. She gave up our money. She gave up her life. She did it all for me. And I signed the divorce paper. I left her. I broke our blood oath. I am the worst husband in the world. I went to the bedroom. I looked at our wedding photo. Elena was smiling. I said, "I am sorry, Elena. I am so sorry." But it was too late. She was gone. She was never coming back. I learned the truth too late. Elena did not betray me. She loved me more than her own life. She hid her cancer so I would not suffer. She made me divorce her so I could be free. She used our money to help poor children. She was a hero. And I was a fool. I went to the orphanage where Elena helped. The children knew her. They said she was an angel. I decided to continue her work. I sold our house. I used the money to help the children. It is what Elena wanted. Every day, I go to the orphanage. I read to the children. I tell them about Elena. I tell them about her love. I tell them about her sacrifice. I keep her memory alive. The lesson I learned is this: do not wait to show love. Do not assume the worst about the people you love. Talk to them. Listen to them. Sometimes, the truth is hidden. Sometimes, the person who hurt you is actually protecting you. Love is not always easy. But it is always worth fighting for. I will never forget Elena. I will never break a promise again. Her love changed me. Her sacrifice made me a better man. I hope she knows how sorry I am. I hope she knows I will love her forever.